Hello everyone. In today's presentation, I'm talking about the Moodle platform of our university. Uh, we are all aware that the ICAR has given advisories to switch over to online delivery of learning content. And our university also has done that. We have uh, installed the a very widely accepted learning management system called Moodle. So today I'm going to talk about or just share my thoughts on what is e-learning, then what is Moodle and its connection with e-learning, and what are the advantages of Moodle. Then again, blended learning, the concept of blended learning after what is its possibility after this lockdown and we are back again to the almost normal mode of activity, how then this model can be of use to us. So these are some of the topics on which I thought I will share some of my understanding and what to say views on these topics. So first let me talk about what is e-learning. So there are several terminologies flying around connected with e-learning. You also hear about virtual learning, digital learning, online learning and all. So coming back to e-learning, it is simply electronic learning. That is what if you expand the E, that is what is e-learning, electronic learning. So that means you are trying to connect with your student base through an electronic device. And naturally, the vehicle will be the internet. So you have can be the electronic devices can range from your laptop or desktop computer, and then it can be the recipient. In this case, it is our students. So through this medium, we are going to transfer our knowledge. We call it the knowledge delivery. So it is through the vehicle, the wireless vehicle medium called the internet. So that is literally the e-learning. So online, virtual, digital learning, all these are learning facilitated through the internet medium. So that is simply what is called e-learning. So you are not having any physical access to your student, but still you are reaching out and whatever you want to teach them, you can what to say create that kind of learning experiences to the student through this medium. Okay, that is the philosophy behind e-learning. Now, people have been hearing about Moodle, and I want to explain what is this Moodle. So, Moodle is, if you expand that, it comes to Modular Object-Oriented Dynamic Learning Environment. So, that is Moodle. And actually, it is a learning management system, or you can simply say it is just a software, and which is free and open source. So, it is Moodle is a free and open source learning management system. So for the beginners, you can say that like the Microsoft Office or something like that, it is Moodle is also like a package. It is a learning management system. So what is this LMS? This LMS, you can understand it like this. L stands for learning. That means this Moodle has the power to deliver education courses or training programs. So that means it is a platform through which you can launch or deliver education courses. Like for example, you are offering a course here, and through Moodle, what you have been trying to do or is already doing is to deliver these courses. And if you even at the next level, if you want to have a training program through this, also this Moodle can be used for such purposes also. Then management, that means course management also can be done through Moodle, because Moodle can help you to organize these courses. That means you can create a course. By this time you have already done that. You can change them, you can change the interface, everything, and make it customized it to suit your requirements. And you can create a lot of learning materials, and these learning materials can be assigned to the students. That means you can give tasks to them and also assess them, see how they are responding to the task. So, like what you do in a normal classroom with regard to your courses, you run the show. That means you manage your show. You decide when you are going to plan the quiz or another time of other type of examination, or you want to do something, you want to assign some extra work to your students, so that you believe that these kind of works are going to help them to gain more knowledge. All these things can be managed using this Moodle platform. So it is a system, as I already mentioned, that this is a software, and LMS is basically a computer program. So it's a computer program with all these facilities through which you can deliver and also manage the courses. So just in case you want to have a further understanding, I have explained it like this. Like Word, it helps, like what how Word helps you to write documents and Gmail helps you to manage your emails. Moodle is a software program that helps you to create, manage, and deliver courses. So that is very simply put it. So what are the advantages of Moodle? I will say that, as I already explained, this is a software program which facilitates anywhere, anytime learning. So what is this anywhere learning? Anywhere learning is, right now you are not connected with your students. There is no physical connection with your students. The classroom is absent here because the colleges are locked down, are facing, the universities is under lockdown. So your students are geographically at different places. So it doesn't bother. In e-learning, this is not a matter, and through Moodle you can reach out to your students and anytime, because nowadays we are getting a lot of complaints or concerns with regarding to net connectivity. People say that by the time you go online and try to teach a class online, the students, most of the students might not be able to log in properly or might not get connection at all. But in this case, in this Moodle platform, the advantage is that you talk and record your video lectures or audio lectures, or share your other learning materials like PowerPoint or PDFs or whatever materials you wish to do, like an activity you want to do. You can do that and keep it there in that Moodle. This, because the software platform, you can place it there, and students at their convenience at any time of the day they can access this and uh, attend to listen to your lectures or do the tasks assigned to them. So that is simply put the explanation for any time, in anywhere, anytime learning, which is I will say that one of the biggest advantages of this Moodle platform. So as I said, teachers can present course materials here in Moodle, including syllabus, assignments, quizzes, and to provide video and audio. Plus, you can also have a wide screen. Even you can go online in this Moodle platform. Only thing is that whenever we say we are taking online classes, we all know that the limitation is connectivity. But still that possibility is there in this Moodle platform, whether the lesson is presented just like it would be on a classroom screen or blackboard. So if you want to have the live presence of your students, you are very particular about that, again Moodle offers you this opportunity. And students can also interact, because there are various forums inside this Moodle. So they can post queries, and also they can post queries with you as well as with between their fellow students, and or you can give a debate there and ask students to respond, so you can monitor and give your inputs. So these are, I'm just talking about some of the very basic advantages or basic features connected with this Moodle. But I will tell. Believe me, the possibilities are immense. Only thing is that you need to experiment with that. Then students also can keep up with the scheduled coursework, and teachers can monitor their involvement. That is one of the biggest advantage, because once you place all these tasks or learning materials there, you can also get back and see how your each one of them are getting involved. So there is a possibility to check the activity, individual activity, at what point of time, entire course period you can see how much is their involvement and all, and take corrective action. You can just call them up and say that, okay, okay, so and so you are not getting actively involved, so you have to switch gears and what to say, work aggressively and deliver. That is that possibility is there in Moodle, so you can monitor their involvement. And you can also set courses can be set to follow this semester schedule. That is one biggest advantage, because when the course is starting and what to say, you can fix that according to your university semester calendar and all. You can set the start and end date in the Moodle and also, and accordingly finish the course also in time. And all course information, such as how to contact the teacher, the students can contact you, because there is an email facility there. So you post something or one message in that Moodle in your course page and all that, every student that is enrolled there will automatically get the email. And you can announce that you are going to make a quiz or you are going to give an assignment. Be ready for that. And the deadlines, these are very important, because unlike in the traditional classroom and all, where people can come to you and say that, okay, miss, I just missed this deadline, or sir, I missed, I was not feeling well and all. Those kind of excuses, you know that some of these excuses are very silly, and but these are not possible there. Of course, you can change the deadlines, and if you find that there is a genuine concern, or the student has a genuine reason to skip that deadline, then you can also reset the deadline. So, but at the bottom of it, I will say that the kind of involvement the student you expect your student to participate, the kind of involvement you expect from them can be monitored and regulated. Everything can be done in using this Moodle. That is one of the biggest advantages here. Now, this is during the lockdown period, people will say that, okay, today we have to be online because the situation doesn't allow us to be in physical connection with our classroom and all. But after that, it is back to square one. You go back to the classroom, and all these online efforts will be waste. No, not like that, because we have a concept called blended learning, which is also gaining a lot of importance, and all probably it has already gained a lot of significance in those universities which are actively into e-learning and all. Because even once you are back to that physical classrooms and all, you can supplement your activities, your classroom activities, through Moodle. Okay, so you go back to the classes, back to your physical lectures, but still you can use this platform and continue to give assignments or additional learning materials, or you can record your additional video lectures and ask the students to continue being in Moodle and watch their activities. So assignments and all you can continue to. So that is called blended learning. You can blend your physical classroom activities with e-learning. So that is going to be the future also. That is a future possibility, that not a future possibility, immediate possibility that you can think of after the lockdown has been called off. Then, as a teacher, we are also having considerable knowledge, and I will say that apart from the traditional using Moodle for the traditional classroom activities, we can even think of creating some MOOC courses. You know what is a MOOC course, massive open online course, which is actually free. So in your area of, in your domain area, you can think of launching several MOOCs, which is actually free. But even that, even otherwise, even you can think of creating certificate or diploma courses in English, or the Moodle Malayalam version is also available in Moodle. So we can help you to do that. So these MOOC courses, certificate courses, diploma courses, and all can be launched by you. And who are the takers for this? The takers can be the general public. You can customize these diploma or certificate courses to Moodle, and you can set a price for this, and based on discussions with the university, and additional revenue can be generated. That possibility, I'm also throwing up this possibility here for people who are really interested in utilizing this online opportunity. Anyway, take it from me, these online activities and online kind of learning are going to stay, and it is important that you understand or get trained or become expert in these kind of activities. So I finished by just recounting or just trying to, this is the take home message I would like to give it to you to retain. So KU's Moodle LMS let you as a teacher to create online learning content, organize it into courses, enroll students to said courses, deliver the learning content to your students wherever they are, and also monitor. That is very important. You can monitor their involvement and also assess. That means you can conduct examinations. It can be through by giving quizzes or giving peer review assignments. The possibility is also there. There are a lot of ways through which you can assess the performance of the students. Then attendance can be monitored. Grades also can be, you can set up the grade book. I've already talked about that. So these are, this is a very important message as far as KU Moodle is concerned. Moodle, our Moodle platform is equipped, is ready to create, organize, enroll, deliver, monitor, and assess the assess our efforts and our students' efforts. So thank you for watching. I hope this video was useful. I was just talking about the power of Moodle in delivering learning content to our students. And the most important highlight about KU's Moodle platform is that it is anywhere, anytime learning. Thanks for watching. Bye.